In the snowy town of Winterbrook, where rooftops sparkled like sugar cookies and icicles twinkled like diamonds, lived two sisters who loved Christmas more than anyone else, Charlotte, the curious dreamer, and Ellen, the cheerful helper. Every Christmas Eve they shared the same tradition: hot cocoa, cozy blankets, and waiting for a hint of Christmas magic. But this year felt different. The air tingled, the snow shimmered, and Charlotte whispered, "Ellen, tonight feels like a night when anything could happen." Ellen's eyes widened. "Like Santa magic?" "Maybe," Charlotte said with a grin. A strange sound in the snow. Just as the clock chimed 8, a soft jingling echoed from outside. Not the usual jingle of their neighbors' wind chimes. This one sounded alive, like tiny bells dancing on their own. Charlotte gasped. "Did you hear that?" The sisters grabbed their boots and scarves and tiptoed outside. The snow glowed gently beneath their feet. Then, flash! A streak of silver light zoomed past, skimming the snow before disappearing behind the pine trees. "What was that?" Ellen breathed. "Only one way to find out." Charlotte tugged her sister forward. "Adventure time!" The shimmering footprints. They followed a trail of sparkling footprints, small, round, and glowing the faintest shade of gold. At the edge of the woods they found something impossible, a tiny sleigh, no bigger than a sled, pulled by two teeny reindeer with glittering antlers. And beside it stood a tiny figure, no larger than a doll, with a peppermint-striped hat and boots that jingled when he moved. "Hello," the little creature squeaked. "I'm Pip Tinselbutton, Junior Christmas Elf, and I need your help." Charlotte's jaw dropped. Ellen squealed. An actual elf. On Christmas Eve. "Our help?" Charlotte asked. "What can we do?" Pip wrung his tiny hands. "I was delivering magic dust to Santa's reindeer, but I slipped off the big sleigh. I got blown off course and crashed, and now Santa's reindeer won't have their sparkle boost for tonight's flight." Ellen gasped. "If the reindeer don't have their magic dust, Santa won't finish his trip." Pip nodded miserably. "I must get back to the North Pole, but my sleigh horn is broken." Charlotte knelt down. "Then we'll help you get there." Ellen pumped her fists. "Yeah, Christmas teamwork." The journey to save Christmas. The sisters climbed into the tiny sleigh, which magically grew to just the right size. "Elf sleigh enchantments," Pip explained. The moment they sat, the reindeer jingled their antlers, and whoosh! Off they zoomed, soaring above Winterbrook. Up they went, past glowing windows, over frosty rooftops, swirling through moonlit clouds. Charlotte laughed, wind rushing through her hair. Ellen clung to her sister, giggling wildly. "This is the best Christmas ever!" Ellen shouted. Pip grinned proudly. "Hold tight! North Pole ahead!" The North Pole. Surprise. They landed in a swirl of glittering snow at the center of the North Pole, filled with gifts stacked higher than houses, peppermint lampposts, penguins wearing tiny scarves, and elves bustling like busy sugar bees. But standing tall above them all was a man with a jolly smile and sparkling eyes. "Ho, ho, ho," Santa chuckled. "Charlotte and Ellen, thank you for bringing Pip home safely." Ellen gasped. Charlotte forgot how to breathe. Santa winked. "You two brought kindness, courage, and Christmas cheer. That's the magic we need most." Pip handed Santa the bag of shimmering golden dust. The reindeer's noses glowed brighter than stars. Christmas was saved. A gift before dawn. Before the girls climbed back into the sleigh, Santa handed them a small, glowing snow globe. Inside it, tiny versions of Charlotte and Ellen flew in a miniature sleigh, surrounded by sparkling snow. "This will remind you," Santa said warmly, "that the greatest Christmas magic comes from brave hearts and kind spirits." The sleigh whirled them back home, landing softly in the snow beside their house just as the first morning light touched the sky. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.